Hi, my name is Ashish and this is the new video for Azure-70-533. In this video, I will cover what is Azure Active Directory. Well, I really apologize for a week missing out on videos. I would not say very much occupied, but yes, a bit occupied, but I'll make sure that I will not let these gaps come in while making the videos. So today we will discuss what is Azure Active Directory and how the basics things are covered. Okay, so I logged on to my Azure portal. On the left hand tab, I would select Azure Active Directory, or you can click All Services and type in Active Directory. You will get the option. So Active, click here, or you can type it in the search bar. Many ways. Okay, so it says that we do azurelive.on Microsoft.com. This is the default name that I get whenever I make a default directory, and my role is the global administrator on this. I can find users if I have any. I'm not using Azure AD Connect. That is a separate topic. I will tell you a brief about it. What's new in they've changed the portal quite a lot. What's new in every feature they are mentioning about B2B. I will tell you what is business to business, business to customer, single sign-on, monitoring, lifecycle management. This is the blocks, latest blocks they have. So basically, Azure AD is Microsoft multi-tenant cloud-based directory, and it's a kind of the identity management. You can call it IDaaS, identity as a service, or identity management as a service. Well, this is the default license that I'm using. It is the free tier that I'm using right now. No products. I do not have anything as of now. So this is the default license, and some roles are only available if you have this premium license, or you have to buy the license. So if you will see the properties of my Azure Active Directory, default directory location is this, India, language, they have my directory ID, technical contact. You can mention global privacy contact, privacy statement, URL, anything. Below, what is application proxy, custom domain names. You can change the domain names as well. So the benefits are you can create and manage a single identity for each user. Let's say you have multiple users logging on. You can centrally place each and every user. You can have the guest user, new user. Guest user is from another organization. You can enable multi-factor authentication. You can give your users the single sign-on ability, and you can have the self-service password reset. You can use the pass-through authentication. So we as an IT admins, developers, we can use the Azure AD to manage the identity and access management centrally from this Azure portal. Organization relationships. It is a brief that I'm showing you about every component, but we'll discuss every component in quite not in depth, but yes, and more than an overview of every component. This is the organization relationships. I do not have any organizational relationships. You can add another organization to have access on your directories. I have not registered any apps, third-party apps, but Microsoft supports n number, more than 2,500 third-party applications that you can register in your directory. Devices would be the computers, the mobile devices your users are logging on, and you can have the mobile device management. You can add third-party mobile device management applications here. We have AirWatch by VMware. It's quite in news these days. You can have Microsoft Intune. Intune is a separate topic in itself. Sometime later I can plan to have an Intune lecture as well. You can have your company branding. You can do password resets. You would say there are no GPOs here, right? Right. So that is another thing. That is the like ADDS, Active Directory Services. You can have the ADDS in Azure as well. That is a separate. You can use Azure AD Connect. You have to download it. It is also a separate topic. Then you can have federation. You can use pass-through authentication, right? So there are n number of things, and it's very interesting and very in detail topic, very useful for all IT admins. So I hope you liked this video, just an overview of what is Azure Active Directory. I will cover really good topics, interesting topics in the next videos. And just to news, I have launched the Azure automation course as well, but that is paid. You will have to go to I'll mention the URL in the description of this video. Enroll yourself, and I'll upload 2 to 3 videos every week, and you purchase it and you have the lifetime access. You can download the videos as well. So hope to see you in the next video. Till the time, have a great day.